Today, I'll walk you through how to change the date format in Power BI and tell a better story with your data, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to modify date formats so you can enhance the clarity and impact of your visualizations. Let's get started. First, open Power BI on your computer. If you're familiar with the interface, it should feel like stepping into a familiar room. If not, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the visual that you want to change the date format for. This could be a chart, table, or any other visual representation of your data. Click on that visual to select it. This action is like choosing the canvas for your painting. It sets the stage for the changes you're about to make. Next, locate the data column that contains the date you want to modify. Click on that date within the data column. Think of this as selecting the specific color you want to adjust in your artwork. Now, you should see the Column Tools option appear at the top of the screen. Click on that. This is where the magic happens, as it provides you with the tools necessary to refine your data presentation. Once you're in the Column Tools section, look for the format options available. Here you can change the date format to one that best suits your storytelling needs. Choose among the various options provided, such as short date, long date, or even custom formats. Selecting the right format is crucial. It's like choosing the right font for a book cover. It sets the tone for your entire narrative. After you've made your selection, take a moment to review how the visual looks with the new date format. This is your chance to see how your data story is evolving. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the date format in Power BI, allowing you to present your data in a more engaging and understandable way. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.